A new lawsuit is being proposed. It argues the system to bring legal justice to people in our area is doing the opposite. Thank you for joining us. I'm Gerald Owens.
And I'm Deborah Morgan. This potential suit argues the new e-court system is keeping people in jail longer than they should be and led to hundreds of people being wrongfully arrested. WRL's Joe Fisher is here with how and why this is happening. Joe?
Deborah, this software is being piloted in Wake, Lee, Johnson, and Harnett counties. It's designed to cut down on paper in the courthouse, but it's been plagued with problems. And now a new lawsuit says people are being wrongly arrested, spending days and weeks longer in jail than necessary, and even being arrested multiple times on the same warrant. The state reported nearly 600 defects with the e-court system in the first 2 months, but this lawsuit claims problems have persisted. Damages are believed to exceed $5 million. The lawsuit is against the sheriffs in Wake and Lee counties. It also alleges negligence from Tyler Technologies. There are 2 named defendants here. However, lawyers believe hundreds of people have been unlawfully detained, a constitutional violation. In one case, the lawsuit says a Wake County woman was arrested multiple times on the same warrant for charges that were already dismissed by a judge. In another case, a Lee County man spent 8 extra days in jail after a judge said he could be released with electronic monitoring.
Our sense is that there's a way to do this without violating people's constitutional rights. There's a way to have a fail-safe mechanism whereby if something has to be done really expediently, you can do it on paper instead of through e-courts. There's a way to have manual checks against warrant systems to make sure, hey, before I arrest somebody, there's actually a valid warrant for their arrest.
And the North Carolina Administrative Office of the Courts has been overseeing the rollout. The NCAOC is not named in the lawsuit, but today a spokesperson said since launching e-courts, NCAOC has consistently solicited court officials, attorneys, and the public to report any issues like those alleged in the complaint. We have investigated each report we have received and have not substantiated that any allegation of wrongful arrest or incarceration was caused by e-courts. The state is spending $100 million over 10 years on the program. All counties are supposed to be on board by 2025. However, due to all of the problems, the rollout has been delayed indefinitely from expanding to any more counties. Deborah?
Boy, that's a lot of money. You want to make sure that all of this is done right. Joe Fisher, thank you.